We've tried to make Eyechart Online as user-friendly and intuitive as possible. There's basically three ways to control the chart. The first is with a mouse or an air mouse. Working with a mouse is super simple and self-evident. A mouse works especially well if you have a dual monitor setup with the examiner monitor in front of you and the patient monitor behind you, and you have a flat surface that you can put the mouse on. In that situation, a mouse works quite well. You can simply change the main chart categories on the left-hand sidebar, like VA charts, Astigmatism Charts, Binocular Balancing, etc. Clicking on any one of them will bring up the context menu for that specific category of charts on the right-hand side in the right-hand sidebar. So if you click on Astigmatism Charts here on the left, it'll bring up the context menu for Astigmatism Charts here on the right. So there you have your Jackson cross-cell dots, your clock dial, your Phantom block test, etc. The same if you click on the VA charts on the left-hand side, that will bring up your context menu for VA charts on the right, with your masking options here and your optotypes here and so forth. But we've made it even easier to navigate with a mouse. Instead of having to move your mouse all the way across the screen to the left menu bar and then all the way back to the right menu bar each time you want to change a chart, you can simply right click anywhere on the screen and voila, it presents you with the main categories right around your cursor. Click on one of them and there you go. It shows you the context menu for that category. This is a much quicker way to navigate than even clicking on the sidebars every time. You can also then hide your sidebars by clicking on the X in the top left-hand side corner to have a nice, clear, distraction-free interface for your patient. And they'll still pop out when you move your cursor to the edges of the screen. So it's super simple to work with a mouse. My personal favorite way to control the chart, however, is with a small wireless keyboard like this, which you can buy for less than 200 Rand, and it works even better than a custom remote. Be sure to check out the next video where I show you how simple it is to work with a little wireless keyboard.